Here she goes. Yay for Alexa! Yay! Yay for the big girl! Oh, that's not good. Can we turn you? You want to turn and go the other way? Let's go this way. Okay. Go. There she goes. Look at her. Such a big girl. She's going to crash into Jake. Yay! And look where it took you. It took you to Bailey, who's going to run away. And there she's going to walk along the couch. Look at her. Alexa! Oh, such a big girl. And Bailey gave you kisses! Ah! Alexa! I did Bailey kisses! Oh, Bailey, you're such a good big brother. Are you going to come back and get him? That's it. Oh, he's going to go the other way. Aww. Bye-bye, Bailey. Hello, buddy. Say bye-bye, Bailey. That's the fastest way to go get him. Go get him. There she goes. You want to go get her? Go get Alexa. Go get Alexa. Go get her. Go get her. Look. Oh, crash, boom. Go get your sister. Go, Jake, go. No. You want to get in that drawer. He's learned how to open this drawer. All right. There's Bailey. And there's Miss Alexa.